In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can create encrypted containers for use within the confidential container space. In the past, you've had to use tools like Scopio and OpenSSL to do that. But with our free-to-use tool Panoplia, we can do that in 2 easy commands. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I've already got Panoplia installed on my machine, and we have a command called generate key. Generate key will allow you to generate a key bundle that can be used for encrypting images very easily. So we'll use the COCO prefix, which is the confidential containers project. We will then give it a name, and then we need to give it a key ID, which is used as well for the project. So this is just a path for when the cluster needs to decrypt the image, it knows where to find the actual encryption key. And then because we don't actually have a cluster connected yet, we are going to just call this an offline bundle. When we do that, we were going to see that we want to generate a new bundle, and we have. So let's go ahead and view that. And it contains some information about how to encrypt an image. The next step is we can run Panoplia copy, which can be used within a CI pipeline after a build has happened. So for this, we're just going to go ahead and reference our encryption bundle, or key bundle rather, bundle, and we'll call it my bundle.json. So that's referencing the bundle above. Then we're going to specify the image we want to encrypt. So in this example, I'm going to just go ahead and use nginx, and then I'm going to then store it in a new registry that I have running locally on my machine. So in this case, we'll call it nginx encrypt. So when we go ahead and do that, it's going to take the bundle and apply all the encryptions to the layers all in one command. And we can inspect that by running the inspect command and using the registry address. And you'll see here that there are many layers, and all those layers have been in fact encrypted, as well as they have some new annotations provided on top of it, so that when the runtime needs to decrypt it, it knows how to do that. Another way to inspect this is you can run the manifest command. And you'll see the actual manifest and its values. So again, you can see it's encrypted, and you'll see the annotations contain encoded strings for use for decryption purposes later on. And that's how you can create encrypted container images quite easily with Panoplia.